Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Have you noticed your cat sneaking secretly into your bag, box or closet? Or have you looked for him just to find him sleeping behind the curtain? Research has shown that cats, predators by nature, need a place to hide, play, relax and observe the surroundings without being spotted or disturbed. They need their own territory that they don't have to share with anyone else. They need their own little kingdom. And this is precisely what PETBO offers, and more. PETBO Playhouses are designed for pets to fulfill their biological need for solitude and sense of security. They are made from cats' favourite material, cardboard. This high-quality, fully recyclable cardboard will last for at least 2 years. The Playhouses are specially designed with attractive prints to complement any home perfectly, rather than just being a playground for pets. Each Playhouse comes with a thoroughly tested and very much loved scratch board. Now your cat will finally leave your furniture alone. To top all that, the Playhouses arrive in an easily assembled flat pack. It can be put together or taken apart in less than 1 minute. Take it with you wherever you go.
PetFusion has created the ultimate cat climber, a thoughtfully designed multi-level cat activity tree that brings your cat closer to a natural habitat. Cats instinctively climb trees and love to perch from heights. PetFusion's ultimate cat climber was designed with this in mind. Combining a cat scratcher and classic tower, this product provides enrichment opportunities and is appropriate for cats of all ages. Measuring almost 6.5 feet tall, the sleek, minimalistic design of PetFusion's cat climber features a luxe espresso finish, complementing home decor. High-quality sisal rope surrounds the post, providing durable scratching and climbing enjoyment. PetFusion also offers replacement posts as they wear out, and the cushion pads are removable for spot cleaning and washing. The ultimate cat climber can be safely assembled in less than 20 minutes. Non-skid pads may be added to the bottom of the platform to protect flooring. Start by using your Allen wrench and screwing the first post into the base of the climber. Twist screw H into the top of the post with your hand. Next, twist the second post clockwise to connect it with the bottom scratching post. Then, twist screw H into the top of the second scratching post. Now you are ready to attach your railing to the middle platform. First, insert the screw portion of component 1 into the railing and platform. Then, insert it into the holes of the underside of the platform. Simply tighten the screw portion with a screwdriver to tighten and complete the process. Next, attach the third scratching post to the middle platform by twisting clockwise until tight. Then, twist component H by hand into the top of the third scratching post. To connect the platform to the wall of choice, use the level provided to ensure the platform will be straight and use a pencil to mark the area where you will be drilling your 2 holes. Using your hammer, tap the zinc anchors into the wall where you made your pencil marks. Be careful to tap them deep enough so that the threading enters the wall before screwing in. If you do not do this, your anchors may not grip well and could break. Next, screw the anchors into the wall and add the washers from component P onto the screws from component J, and screw through the holes in the railing into the anchors in the wall. If securing your climber into wood studs, you will only use the screw to secure the middle platform into the wall. The process will be to mark, level, and drill the pilot holes first, and then secure the climber through the holes in the middle platform railing. We also recommend using a stud finder. Once the climber is secured to the wall, then connect the 4th scratching post to the climber and attach the second railing to the top platform. Using the provided Allen wrench and component K to attach the top platform to the 4th scratching post. Next, attach the top platform to the wall following the same steps as before, but it helps to remove the top platform and insert the anchors first, then reattach the platform when securing climber to the wall. The last step is attaching the cushion pads to the middle and top platforms by peeling back the adhesive backing found on the underside of the pads and applying directly to the platform. Now your ultimate cat climber is ready to use. PetFusion created the ultimate cat climber to be the perfect place for cats to relax and play.
When you want the very best for your pet, the premium Rolling Clean Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is the ultimate of litter boxes. Its stylish yet smart design makes cleaning your cat's litter box easy and simple. All you have to do is roll it over and you're pretty much done. To use the Rolling Clean Self-Cleaning Litter Box, lift up the stylish, upgraded chrome-plated accent clips and fill it up to the line measurements inside the box with clumping cat litter. Then just give your cat some time. The Rolling Clean Litter Box has a grill inside that catches clumped waste. When you roll the box onto its top, the waste is caught while the clean litter passes through the grill, getting rid of the bad stuff and keeping the good stuff. When you roll it back down, the waste goes into the pull-out tray while the clean litter covers the bottom. You'll see your litter box is level with cat litter, clean and ready to use again. The Cat Step is an additional feature that helps your furry friend to clean its paws upon exiting, so you can spend more time with your pet and less time cleaning up after them. Now, if only your cat could clean its litter box.
Yeah.